Hello friends and potential friends. I think I mentioned in a previous video that I was getting ready to make some pineapple pepper jelly. I was inspired by my friend Peanut over at Peanut's Peppers channel. In the past I've made jalapeno jelly and I've added other peppers to it, but I never even considered making jelly based on a fruit and then adding peppers to that. So I'm going to give it a try and see if I can come up with some edible pineapple peanut or pineapple pepper jelly. I've been picking peppers recently, and so I'm almost ready to give this a try. But I got thinking, we've all run across those videos from time to time where someone will get on the camera and pop a habanero or a ghost pepper or a reaper into their mouths and chew it up, turn all kinds of funky colors, and see how long they can last before they have to grab that glass of milk they got sitting at their side. And I figured I'd try something similar to that. However, I cheat a little bit. One way that I'm going to cheat is I'm not eating the seeds, because these seeds are a bit too precious for me to be just popping in my mouth. I intend to grow them. But I'm going to take this pepper, pull the seeds out of it. You can see this is a habanero, or at least a lot of you can probably recognize it as a habanero. Pretty orange color. I'm going to get these seeds off of here and put them onto a paper plate so that they can dry out a little bit. That's got the seeds off there, and put them onto my paper plate. So that part's easy enough. Now let's go to the dramatic part. Okay, here's the dramatic part. Now, one thing you may have noticed, if you've watched any of my old pepper seed saving videos, I always wear gloves when I'm dealing with peppers. But I didn't this time. And the reason I didn't is because I practiced this before I turned the camera on. Told you I cheat. So I'm going to take this pepper, there's both pieces of it, and you just watched me take the seeds out of, pop it in my mouth. Tastes good. I know I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but this is a good tasting pepper. If you see any beads of sweat forming on my forehead, be aware that this is Central Florida. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're approaching 90 degrees. Humidity is up around 75 or 80%, which is actually quite low for this area. So even inside, where I don't have the air conditioner going, it's pretty warm and I'm sweating. But it really has nothing to do with the pepper. I could sit here and make this video as long as you want me to make it without any adverse effects. I don't have a glass of milk sitting next to me, or water, or anything else, because, well, kind of mentioned, I cheat. Let me show you this. I have two peppers here. Can you tell the difference? That's one like I just ate. That one I would never put directly into my mouth. Because that one is a little brother of that one. This one here is a Caribbean red habanero. This one here is a Caribbean orange habanero. And this guy here, I got some seeds from Ray's Little Shop of Seeds this year. And this is one in particular that I was really thrilled about growing. He calls it the no heat habanero. Looks just like that Caribbean orange, but if you take the seeds out of it, it's about as mild as a banana pepper. I can sit and eat these things all day, and it tastes good. Like I said, I cheat. You ain't gonna see me sticking a Ghost or a Reaper or even one of those habaneros in my mouth anytime soon. Hope you enjoyed this little farce, and if you get a chance, go check out Ray's Little Shop of Seeds. Hopefully he's still got some of these available. If not, hey, send me an email. Maybe I can send you some seeds. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.